BFT Alpha Control Board Trimmer Settings. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain the BFT Alpha Control Board Trimmer Settings in a very simple way. Trimmer Settings. In this control board, there are two trimmers. TCA trimmer. TCA means automatic closing timer. When the door opens fully or little by remotes or push button, the door will close automatically after set a time. The time auto closing time from 0 to 90 seconds. I will show you how to activate. First, DIP, switch 1 to be on. Rotate the trimmer and check the time. Half 45 seconds. Maximum 90 seconds. Depends on you. Standard 1 minute or 30 seconds. TW trimmer. ATW trimmer is working time for motor's output. Controls how long the motor runs. Adjustable from 0 to 90 seconds. Set slightly higher than actual gate movement time. So guys, that's a complete and simple explanation of all DIP switch settings on the BFT Alpha control board. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials.